What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. Welcome to the FPV Beachfront Challenge, where I sent 4 different drones to see which one rules the shores. And I hope you help me by watching and commenting. I am Neil J, and right now, let's buzz the tower. Man, I feel that wind hitting me coming from the prop wash. Yeah, this is a lot of fun right here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and send the deep space SEEKER 35 and see how it does today on the beach. Let's go ahead and send it. Send it like you stole it. FPV. Like you don't care. We're gonna go ahead and send it. Arm, and let's go.
Goggles on, the world fades to blue.
All right, that's the power right there.
No more fear, I'm seeing this through.
That's a lot of power right there.
I'm away from solid ground. I know a place where freedom can be found. So if you don't mind, I'm leaving for a while. I'll see you on the other.
That's a speed demon. It's very fast, the drone. See, we can hit this gap here. Nice.
So send it up, send it high into
I can feel that power.
fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare.
It's very windy.
This FPV everywhere. Oh, I'm living the
Let's test this speed right now. $85, not bad.
The sun is up, and now the fleet's alive. From SEEKER,
Let's buzz the tower.
the 3X's dive from Avoidance. So send it
Man, I feel that wind hitting me coming from the prop wash.
like we just don't care. From the sunrise,
Yeah, this is a lot of fun right here.
gonna fly this FPV everywhere. He's drone in my fleet's got a dedicated soul. The SEEKER 35's a demon speed.
I'm gonna do a dive here.
Master 3X makes precision its role. The other
350, that's it.
safe patrol.
Whoa.
All about using the right tool for the goal. Headed straight
Still going.
up inside the tree. This is the part where the fool you'll see. Now I'm skimming the water, tasting the spray ripples below me. I'm leading the way, skimming the waves in a risky flight. Flips and power loops in the golden light. These dives and spins where freedom begins. Oh, I'm living the dream. So send it up, send it high into the air.
369, everybody. I'm good. I'm top of the water, scary, but I'm good.
To the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV. We're twisting through the sky, feeling the rush in the air.
People fishing over here, so I don't want to get too close and caught with one of those fishing lines. That wouldn't be fun, y'all.
The crash is just a memory in the making, but right now, this moment, there's no mistaking. We don't care, we don't care. If I crash into the sea or tree, it's a memory for us.
Nice. Those waves are so beautiful. Look at that. I don't want to go too deep inside in the water. But as you see, the color of the water changes when you get a little bit farther away. That's how the way it is in the Gulf. At the beach, it's kind of muddy. That's why the water is brownish, but it's beautiful. I mean, we get this beautiful weather all year long. We can just be here on the beach. Can't beat that.
So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
Surfing these waves.
I'm living the dream.
All right, here it is. 355 in the battery. I'm gonna bring it back.
Send it high into the air.
Well, it's 360 now, but it's changing.
We just don't care.
I better bring it back.
Rise glow to the moonlit glare. We're gonna
Can't be playing on top of the water.
everywhere.
Coming to land. All right, here it is, it's back. Oh, we ate some dirt here. Well, beach. It's okay, it didn't touch anything, it's just right in the bottom. We can clean that. All right, so here it is. It's the SEEKER 35. This is the Speed Demon. It did really well on the beach. I like the way it did today. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be better than the other ones or not, but we will see. This is what all this series is all about. And I hope you watch them and tell me which do you think which drone is the best performing here at the beach. Flying FPV Beachfront Challenge. I'll be flying next GIP RC Mark V and DJI Avara 2. I appreciate your feedback and appreciate you subscribing and liking, and we'll see you on the next one.
For watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.